Welcome to the first episode of Stim Toy Reviews. And here's my co-host, Dino the Dragon. Dino's very happy to be joining us on the show today. For today's video, we will be reviewing Poppets. We have all these Poppets here, what we're going to be reviewing. So I'm just going to shuffle them up and then pick whatever one's first. So this is a rainbow Poppet. I got it at Comic-Con. It's very easy to pop on both sides, which is a good thing, but it can also be a bad thing because that means the noise isn't as good when it pops. I like it, and I like the design too a lot. So I give it a 7 out of 10. Next up, we have the Rocket Poppet. I really like this one's design. I like that it's the color of a pride flag. This one has a much better pop than the previous one, and I also like the design quite a bit better. Although it is harder to pop, which again is a mixed bag. I give this one a 9 out of 10. It has a really good balance of like being easy and difficult to pop and making a good noise. And the colors and the design are just so satisfying. Dino, what do you think about those two Poppets we just reviewed? Okay, Dino's going crazy. Next up, we have this Poppet. This one's a heart. And it's slightly easier to pop than the Rocket. And it makes not that satisfying of a noise when it comes back up. But it has a great design, and it has the colors of the trans flag. And I lied, I was just popping the wrong side. The poppy side does have a satisfying pop. So, I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10. This is the supreme Poppet. This is what you have to beat. Next up, we have the Unicorn Poppet. I really appreciate the design on this one. Again, I mean, I picked these all out myself, so of course I would appreciate the design, but the pop is very satisfying, but it could be better. This one's only a one color one, which is understandable because it was cheap at Walmart, but it still gets docked points for that, unfortunately. But the pop is phenomenal. I give this Poppet a 'The pop is just so good. We're going to go ahead and give it a 7 out of 10. If the design was just a little bit better, it would be up there. Now we have Trans Flag Poppet number 2. this is a good Pop It, but the design could be a little better. Although it gets points for being trans flag colors, it is just this little shape here. It doesn't really have that much of a design to it besides being the colors of the trans flag. So, and the pop is not that satisfying. So let's go ahead and give this one a 6 out of 10. Next up, we have the Pride Square. This one is a Pride flag Pop It, so it gets bonus points for that. But however, the pop is just not that great, and it's just a square, so. Five out of 10. And then we have this Pop It. This color, the colors of the bi flag, and it's beautiful. And the pop is decent. However, it is just a circle. And I like to have designs on my Pop Its. So I'm going to give this one a 6 out of 10. And finally, we have Dino's personal fave, the T-Rex Pop It. The T-Rex Pop It. I can find a T-Rex Pop It. Where's the T-Rex Pop It? I only have 2. You just have your second. I have 8 Pop It. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. T-Rex Pop It. Where did you go? And that's all the Pop Its we have to review for today, folks. Okay, here is Rexy. As you can see, Rexy is a dino, which, well, T-Rex, dino. I'm sorry, my voice is not talking the way I desire. It's one color, but it's a T-Rex. Of course it's going to be green. Decent pop, but not too much resistance. I give it a 7 out of 10. Dino gives it a 10 out of 10. This is Dino's personal favorite. So that's all with the STEM Toy reviews. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.